Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest brand video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Apple ID has grayed out from the iPhone. So as you can see, as I open the settings app on my device and then tap here on the Apple ID to sign out or bring some changes in this, so it's grayed out from the screen. So how to get back this? Just open settings app on your device and then scroll it down and tap on screen time. Again scroll it down and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and now again scroll it down and here is the account changes, so tap it and now tap on allow. Go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. Open settings. Now as you can see, my Apple ID is available right now and I tap here and can sign out or bring some changes in this. So my problem has been solved. If the video is helpful, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.